What if camera could understand what it sees and directly control real hardware in real time? In this video, you will see how computer vision meets embedded systems through practical working projects built with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and AI models. These are not simulations, they are real systems interacting with the physical world. But before I get right into the video, I want to give a big shout out to Jude Nkerewem, who gave me access to all his projects on computer vision. And based on your reactions to this video, if I can get over 1,000 likes and comment, I don't mind inviting him to teach us computer vision and how it meets with embedded systems. Now let's get right into the video. Project 1 is a 7-segment display controlled by computer vision. This project demonstrates how computer vision can be used to control a 7-segment display without any physical input. Here, a camera detects hand gestures using computer vision techniques, and the recognized gesture is translated into commands sent to an Arduino, which updates the display instantly. In real-world applications, this approach can be used for touch-free interfaces in public systems, industrial panels, or assistive technologies where physical buttons are not ideal. Project 2 is a volume control using hand gesture recognition. Here, hand gestures are used to control volume by tracking finger landmarks in real time. The system calculates finger distances and smoothly maps them to volume levels, thereby creating an intuitive and responsive control system. Gesture-based control like this is already shaping the future of smart devices, and it makes you wonder, where would gesture control feel more natural than physical knobs or sliders? Leave a comment in the comment section below. Project 3 is a face detection and tracking with pan tilt system. This project combines computer vision with mechanical motion. Here, a Raspberry Pi detects a face within the camera frame and continuously adjusts servo motors to pan and tilt the camera, thereby keeping the face centered even as the person moves. So, face tracking systems like this are widely used in robotics, surveillance cameras, video conferencing systems, and autonomous monitoring platforms. But there is a bigger question here, and the question is, should cameras follow people automatically, or should that always require human control? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Project 4 is face recognition system. This system doesn't just detect faces, it identifies who the person is by comparing facial features against stored data in real time on embedded hardware. Face recognition powers modern security systems, but it also opens discussions about privacy and ethics. Where do you think face recognition should be allowed, and where should it be restricted? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Project 5 is automated attendance system using computer vision. In this project, face recognition is applied to automate attendance. As individuals appear in front of the camera, the system recognizes them and records their presence without manual input. This could save time in schools and workplaces, but it also raises an important question. Would you trust an automated system to track attendance, or do you still prefer manual confirmation? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Project 6 is a face mask detection system. This system detects whether a person is wearing a face mask using a trained computer vision model running efficiently on embedded hardware. Here, detection happens instantly as faces appear in the camera frame. Health monitoring systems like this became common worldwide, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. But do you think computer vision should enforce rules or simply provide information? What's your thoughts? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Finally, Project 7 is a fire detection system using computer vision. This project detects fire by recognizing flame patterns directly from live camera footage using a custom model running on Raspberry Pi. Early detection can make a critical difference in preventing damage or loss. Fire detection systems like this could save lives, but would you trust a vision-based system over traditional sensors, or would you combine both? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. These projects show how computer vision is no longer limited to powerful computers. This means combining AI with embedded systems, cameras can now control hardware, automate decisions, and interact intelligently with the physical world. This is where modern embedded engineering is heading. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also leave your thoughts on the projects that stood out amongst all the projects we talked about. And if you have any question regarding this video, please leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Like this video so the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to other beginners who might want to start their journey in computer vision and to build solutions relating to computer vision. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.